Now we are going to learn quadratic equations. Now quadratic equation is an equation in which the variable has got highest degree, that is equal to 2, then we say that the equation is quadratic equation. Now general form of quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A is a coefficient of x squared, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant. Now today we are going to learn how to take out the values of x by means of factorization, by factorizing the equation. Here you have seen in last year the middle term factorization. So same technique we are going to use over here to get the value of x. These values of x are called 0, or it is also called as roots of the equation. Now let us take the first sum. Suppose if it is given this way, x squared minus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore, x squared minus 10x plus 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore, x bracket x minus 10 plus 4 bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 4 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4, or x is equal to 10. Therefore, solution set minus 4, comma 10. So these are the values of x. Now let us take the second sum. In this sum, what is given? Under root 9x square minus 25 is equal to 12. Now when you square, then your square root sign will go and we will get, therefore, root of 9x square minus 25 the whole square is equal to 12 the whole square. Therefore, 9x square minus 25 equals 144. Therefore, 9x square is equal to 169. Therefore, 3x the whole square is equal to 13 the whole square. Therefore, 3x is equal to 13, or 3x is equal to minus 13. Therefore, x is equal to 13 upon 3, or x is equal to minus 13 upon 3. The solution set is equal to 13 upon 3, comma, minus 13 upon 3. Now we'll take one more sum, next sum, which is says it is equal to, now here a plus 1 the whole square plus 3 bracket a plus 1 is equal to 10. Now here in both the bracket you have a plus 1. So what we'll do, we'll say let a plus 1 is equal to m. So what will come, therefore m square plus 3m is equal to 10. Therefore m square plus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore m square plus 5m minus 2m minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore m bracket m plus 5 minus 2 bracket m plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to negative 2 and m is equal to 5. But this is not end of the sum. Therefore m minus 2 is equal to 0 or m plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 2 or m is equal to minus 5. Now we have to resubstitute because we have to get value of a. Resubstituting m is equal to 2, what we'll get? A plus 1 is equal to 2 or a plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Therefore a is equal to 2 minus 1 or a is equal to minus 5 minus 1. Therefore a is equal to 1 or a is equal to minus 6. The solution set will be a is equal to 1 comma minus 6. Now let us take next sum. Here what is given? 4x minus 8 upon x minus 8 upon x minus 3 minus 3x upon 3x minus 3 equals 0. Now what is the common denominator over here? Common denominator x bracket 3x minus 3. So here we will have to multiply 3x minus 3 into 4x minus 8 minus 8x equals 0. Therefore 12x square minus 24x plus minus 12x plus 24 minus 8x upon 3x square minus 3x equals 0. Therefore 12x square minus 34 minus 36 28 minus 44x plus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, now let us take 4 common. 4 comma 3x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0 by 4. Therefore, 3x squared minus 11x plus 8 equals 0. Now we'll factorize this equation. So 3x squared minus 3x minus 8x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x bracket x minus 1 minus 8 bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus 8 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 8 upon 3, or x is equal to 1. Therefore solution set is equal to 8 upon 3 comma 1. Now let us take the last sum from this chapter. Under root x upon x minus 5 plus under root x minus 5 upon x is equal to 2 1 by 6. Now what will you say? Now here you find that here x upon x minus 5, here it is x minus 5 upon x, that means they are reciprocals. Now let us consider let x upon x minus 5 is equal to a. Under root x upon x minus 5 is equal to a. So what will come now? A plus 1 upon a is equal to 13 upon 2. Therefore, a square plus 1 upon a is equal to 13 upon 2. Therefore, a square plus 2 is equal to 13a. Therefore, a square minus 13a plus 2 is equal to 0. A plus 1 upon a is equal to 13 by 2. Yeah. A square plus 1 upon a. So a square plus 2 is equal to 13a. So 2a square. यायला काय होते माझं? 13 upon 2. Okay, it is 13 upon 6. So it becomes 6a square element. Therefore, 6a square plus 6 is equal to 13a. Therefore, 6a square minus 13a plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 6a square minus 9a minus 4a plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3a bracket 2a minus 3 minus 2 bracket 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3a minus 2 and 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3a minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3a is equal to 2 or 2a is equal to 3. Therefore, a is equal to 2 by 3 or a is equal to 3 by 2. So, these are the sums which we have solved.